What's your password?
Who's here?
Huh?
Huh?
What's your password?
Use yours.
What yours?
What do you mean?
Wi-Fi.
Oh, the Wi-Fi? I don't know. Yeah, let me check.
I don't have internet here.
Let me check. Let me.
No.
Give it to me. Put the password for you.
Hi, Joseph.
Give it to me.
No.
No, seriously.
No, it's okay. Don't.
Alright, Diego.
Hi, Joseph. Hi. No biting, Joseph. Good boy. He's such a good boy, Joseph. Joseph. Oh. Are you a good boy? Good boy, Joseph. What are you hiding there?
Joseph,
Joseph? Look at daddy, Joseph.
come here.
Go to daddy, go to
Yeah, play with this.
That's my check.
Oh, but he hide from you, Joseph. Bite him. Go bite him.
No.
Bite him.
Good boy, Joseph.
Diego, where are you?
He's hiding there. Mm. Good boy, Joseph. You have such a beautiful eyes. Go to daddy. Mm.
Are you two G's? Huh?
Joseph, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Open, open, open.
Just talk to him. When you do that, he get quiet.
You're such a good boy. You want a kiss? Mm. Mm.
He wants more than kiss.
Shame on you, take it like that. Poor boy. What are you doing there, Joseph? Why you're hiding there?
Diego, come here.
Where's Tiago?
He's rubbing his head to my socks. Tule, how do you know I'm talking about you? Come here, come up. Up.
Joseph,
Come on.
go bite Tiago.
Come here. Baby shark. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do. My little jet, calm down. Oi. Calm down.
Nice boy. Mm.
Give me a kiss.
You want kisses?
Give me a kiss. Hey! You being so naughty today, huh? Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go. Go, Diego.
Don't be.
Diego. Ay, not me. Not me. Not me, Diego. Go get
Nice
him.
boy.
Go get him.
Go to daddy. Go to daddy. Yeah. Alright, go to daddy. Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Oi, 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 oi. Why you scared? Diego, that's not nice. Stop it.
No,
Stop
no,
it.
hold it.
Keep it. Good boy.
Good boy, you good boy, you good boy, Joseph. You good boy, such a good boy.
Be nice, okay? Don't hurt Daddy.
You're such a good boy, Joseph.
Daddy loves you. Give me a kiss.
You wanna go back to your cage?
Joseph.
Joseph.
He's leaving.
I gotta go, Joseph. You remind me of my girlfriend when she does that.
Your girlfriend. Oh, she's not watching this video.
Is it live? Don't say it's live.
It is live.
No, shut up.
Seriously. Too late to apologize. It's too late. Say hello, everyone. Say whatever you were saying. It was just kidding.
No, don't download this one.
Okay, I don't download it. That's upload. Okay.
I mean, don't upload it online, yeah.
Okay, but this is live.
No, seriously?
Yeah, this is live. Look at the red light.
You were not doing like my girlfriend.
It's too late.
Go to daddy. Say hi, daddy.
Yeah.
Go
Come
to
on.
daddy.
He wants to go, Joseph. Come here. Good boy. He's falling in love with you, I guess.
Kiss. Yeah, you kiss better than my girlfriend. That's for sure.
Yeah. Papa. Say, tell him be right back.
I'll be right back.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. Go to daddy. Good boy, Joseph.
Okay. Come here. Yeah. Say okay, bye. You back?
I'll be back.
Okay, bye. Careful, you're gonna run. Tiago, stop it! Hey! Stop!
Go back.
Come here.
Go back.
Bye.
Oh.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Joseph.
Hey!
Not like that, Joseph. That's not nice.
No, he just wanted to come with you.
Hi. I'll
Come
be
here.
back,
Joseph, come here. Yeah.
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Come here. Yeah, you come
Bye,
here.
Joseph.
Joseph.
Bye. I'm going. I'm leaving. Bye,
Okay,
Joseph.
bye.
Bye, but go to daddy.
Come here.
Go to daddy, yeah. I will leave if you go to daddy.
Joseph,
Bye.
come.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. I promise.
Bye.
Bye.
Come here. Look, Joseph, come here.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Call me. Gonna come to daddy now? Huh? Fly. 1, 2, 3. Fly. 1, 2. Yeah, that way is easier. Ended up walking. All your snacks on the floor, huh? Oh, okay, bye.
Bye. Yeah, I'll be back.
Oh, he's back, huh?
Hi, Joseph. You stay there.
No. Good boy. You didn't miss daddy? Huh? What are you doing, Joseph? down, up, down. Walking, walking, up, down, walking, walking, up, down, walking, walking, up, down, down, up, 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 down. Hey, Tiago. No flying, Joseph. No. Hey, can you hold your arm? I'm gonna tell him to fly to you.
Wait.
Look at me. Yeah. But wait. Tiago, stop.
What should I do?
Just stand and hold your arm like this, but not in front of your face, on the side.
Like
Yeah,
that?
like that. Joseph, 1, 2, 3, fly.
Don't bite me.
No bite.
No biting, Joseph.
No, he don't bite.
No biting.
No, he don't wanna bite you.
He bite me already.
Because you moved. He thought he's going to fall down. Joseph, what did you do?
Your nails, Joseph. You made a hole in my jacket. Seriously.
It's okay, honey.
You're paying for the jacket. Go to daddy, Joseph. I have to go.
Come here.
Go.
Show his fans how he's good boy. Joseph, up.
Up.
Hold on like this. Yeah, step up. Step up. Joseph, step up.
Go to daddy, yeah, go do that.
Up. Be good boy. He will be back.
I will be back. Yeah, I will be back, promise.
Okay.
Joseph. You made a hole to my jacket. This jacket is
Let's see the hole you made first, Joseph. Yeah, the hole. Let's see. Wow, that's a big hole, guys.
right there.
Oh my god.
Right there.
I'm really sorry.
And his daddy is paying for it.
Joseph say I'm really sorry.
And he bite me well.
See, he's like putting his hands up. Say I'm sorry. Put your feathers up. Say I'm sorry. Okay. No.
Hi. Don't come very close. Here, come down here. Come down here. You wanna go? Let's go together. Say bye.
Okay, bye, Joseph. Bye. You come back soon, okay? Okay?
Say bye.
Are you taking Tiago too?
Yeah, take Tiago. Go bring Tiago.
Yeah?
Go bring Tiago.
Tell him, Tiago, let's go. Tell him. Or Tiago, stay with daddy. Huh? Okay, bye. See you later, Joseph.
You going to your cage, Joseph?
Good luck with that.
No, that Joseph.
Last night, he was really missed me. I was like keep telling him for 5 minutes to go to your cage. Yeah, up. Tiago, stop running to my feet. Joseph. Up. Joseph, listen to daddy. Be good boy. Step up. Step up. Good job. Good boy.
Bye, Joseph.
Okay, bye. Say be right back. See you next time.
Bye, Joseph.
Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Bye.
Call me, okay? Okay. Yeah, go to your cage. I'm gonna go wash. Good boy. No screaming. Where are you, Tiago? Okay, see you guys later.